Unlock the full potential of your smartphone by turning it into a powerful tool for portrait photography. With features like depth effect and background blur, you can create striking images that truly stand out. This section introduces you to the possibilities of using your phone to capture professional-looking portraits. Get ready to explore creative techniques that will elevate your everyday photos to the next level. Optimizing natural lighting is essential for capturing stunning portraits. Shooting during golden hour, the period just after sunrise or before sunset, provides soft, warm light that flatters your subject. It's best to avoid the harsh midday sun, which can create strong shadows and unflattering highlights. Utilizing shade can help diffuse light and produce a more even, natural look. Adjusting your camera's exposure settings and experimenting with backlighting can further enhance your subject's features, adding depth and dimension to your portraits. Mastering composition is key to creating compelling portraits. Techniques like the rule of thirds help guide the viewer's eye and create visual interest by placing your subject off-center. Experimenting with creative angles and using natural elements for framing can add depth and context to your images. Simplifying backgrounds ensures that attention remains on your subject, while thoughtful positioning brings balance and enhances the narrative within each portrait. Unlocking the depth effect and achieving a beautiful background blur is easy with your smartphone's portrait mode. By adjusting how far your subject stands from the background, you can enhance the separation and make your subject stand out. The placement of the background, combined with the camera's aperture settings, plays a crucial role in creating that soft, professional blur. Experimenting with these elements allows you to capture striking portraits where the focus remains on your subject. Advanced Portrait Mode features offer a range of creative possibilities for your photos. With adjustable aperture, you can control the background blur to highlight your subject more effectively. Lighting options help you shape the mood and enhance facial features, while post-editing tools let you refine the image even after it's taken. These capabilities make it easy to emphasize facial details, soften skin tones, and precisely adjust the depth effect to achieve the perfect portrait. With a bit of creativity and consistent practice, your smartphone portraits can become truly expressive works of art. By experimenting with different lighting setups, exploring unique compositions, and making the most of depth effects, you open up endless possibilities for your photography. Each new attempt helps you refine your skills and discover fresh perspectives. Remember, the journey to mastering portrait photography is ongoing, and every photo you take brings you one step closer to your artistic vision.